What's up, guys? Mr. Knives and more. I'm going to be doing a little collection video of my Zippos. I only have 8, as you can see. I also have a bunch of like knockoffs and fakes, but I'm not going to put them in this video. So, yeah. This is a pretty nice case. It doesn't hold that many Zippos, though. But, got it off Amazon for 40 bucks. Or 30 something. And it's actually magnetic, so it comes with magnets to hold your Zippo. But we'll start with like the boring stuff. So I have a satin chrome Zippo. This has been used a lot. Nothing too special. 1 second. Just had to pull those apart. So yeah, nothing too special on that one. Magnets get a little annoying when you're doing it with one hand. So, try my best. Then I have a never open bullet hole Zippo. I don't know what the exact model name is, but it looks really nice. It has really nice finish. Yeah, never open. Then I have what I believe is called a black ice Zippo. This has been used. Was my trick lighter for a little while, but now I use my beat up one, which is also a black ice. Then I have the Marlboro Compass. It's pretty cool. And I'm going to make reviews of each one of these, so I'm just going to do like close-ups, so I'm not getting too in-depth here. Then we have the Spectrum, which is like purple to green fade, and like green to yellowish. But that was my trick, but the insert gets caught up a lot, so I don't use that anymore. This is my trick Zippo I use now. I believe it's another black ice. It's really beat up. This was actually my first Zippo. Just taking a walk in the snow, and I just found that buried under the snow. So I was like, okay, I'll keep it. Then I have this chrome. It says Merry Christmas, Robbie. Love, Chrissy. I got this at a garage sale, and my name's not Robbie, it's Billy. So I just thought it was kind of funny to buy, but that one's really like shiny and reflective. Let me just fix the magnets quick. Okay. Then my last one is a Jack Daniels Tennessee whiskey. I actually got this for $1 at a garage sale. And I looked them up, and it's like 30 bucks to get normally. So, let me just put this back. Sorry, guys, it's a pain.